night again in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area overnight last night and early this morning as a cold front moved through. And it's beautiful now. The humidity and dew points are in the crashing through the 50s on their way into the 40s tonight. Temperatures are in the upper 50s to low 60s. And the high temperatures are being set now, and the temps will level off and fall as a beautiful fall feel to this mid-June, late June now, early summer, approaching midsummer in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area, just before sunrise here on this what's going to be beautiful day. And we'll survey any damage that happened overnight last night, right? But this is Commodity Mondays. Welcome to Commodity Mondays, where we go over the commodity market. And for our morning radio show this morning, it's going to be with gold and silver bullion. And as you can see, the market is open. And it's up right now about $10. And you can see we're going to put in some nice, beautiful support boxes for you, just like we've been doing with the crypto. We're going to continue with the gold and silver bullion to make these charts beautiful. But we got to clean them up first. I got a lot of nonsense going on. So you guys wanted more eraser on the morning radio? Well, you're getting more eraser on the morning radio right now. Look at this. The eraser's just coming in here like a bat out of hell, man. He's not taking any prisoners on this morning radio show. And I believe this is episode 26 on the morning radio show. And if you would like to see any of the other morning radio shows, you can go into my channel pages, and I have it broken down by sections, beautiful sections now, to make it easy. And you can just go back into the morning radio section and go listen to all the 24 or 25 other episodes that we've done so far here at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing morning radio show. Look at the erasers just killing it, making this gold chart beautiful for us. We'll clean out the rest of this on my own time. So we're going to zoom out, and you can see the gold market's traded for a long time in the shithouse. And the gold market is way down here with our boxes. So we're going to make a shithouse box where we've had a lot of trading down now, right? But it's been a long time ago. We don't need to go out that far. We'll go out right now. We're going to make that red, right? Because that's the shithouse. No, the shithouse. Shithouse is red. Man. And then our next area, gotta get our shit together and reevaluate what the fuck's going on. Zone is our orange box, which is below us. Right? We'll make that up today with the other one. And that's orange. That's our get your shit together box, right? We need to get eraser back out. Look at eraser needs to come in for a second time on the morning radio show. Once again, eraser. Yes, it says that we have sort of a double top formula. We did break out much higher than the other one, or this could be a W reversal pattern, right? But that would be a very long W reversal pattern. And you can see through the history, we've been this whole time in gold making highs and lows, but constantly making higher highs as we go on through the decades, right? And that's what these blue, oh yeah, I like that better. The dark blue, that's what these dark blue lines are, support, long-term support and resistance, right? And now after this last pump, I deleted one of the moving averages, shit. So we gotta go into here, here, no, here to favorites. Moving averages. Which one did I delete? I deleted the 200 day. Length. Oops. 200. Style. We want green. Oh, we can use bright green now because of the chart's different. And we go like that. There we go. There's the 200 day. But we're forming in the monthly time frame. It's falling, or what I think is a bull flag. That is right here, right? We're going to change that color into something better. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's good. Then we're going to clone that. And you can see the support, what I think is a bull flag that we're attempting to break out of. And now we're coming back down, and we've actually now just came all the way back down. And this is a critical area for gold. We're going to put a price target in here. Industry exclusive price target on the morning radio show. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Industry exclusive content, right? And we're coming back now after we tried to break out of this 11-month bull flag. We're retesting it now at the 1766 level mark. And if we're going to hold this, you would look for it to bounce and then start trading up. So this is a very critical area right here. A Vincenzo watch. Can't make that black. Can't see black on black. This is a Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing watch for gold at the 1766, which is now trying to hold this as new support. Because if we break this and don't hold, we're going to trade way down real quick. And we could be coming all the way back down here in gold, you know, in an up and down fashion. If we don't hold that level, we could trade all the way back down. No, I don't like that. We could trade all the way back down in this wedge. Come on, get out of there. We could trade all the way back down in this wedge in gold and bottom out and have a huge flush in gold before we're able to break out and then get a huge bounce off this bottom $1,500 and then start trading up and then skyrocket and go right. I'm definitely watching out for something like that, right? If we get bearish and we come all the way down with our industry exclusive drawing tool, because that would be a huge crash. That'd be a 17% crash in gold, $300 an ounce, and Vincenzo would back the truck up and be buying tons of physical gold at $1,500. But that's what we're going to watch out for, because I think eventually this big bull flag that we've been in since the COVID crash, if we break out, that would be your targeted move, because I do think we're going to $2,500 by the end of summer or the end of the year. I think we're going to make a run at that upper resistance in gold, right? AAU, same thing. We're having a dump, but I believe we're just retesting. We need eraser. This is a mess. This morning radio show is going to be cleaning up a lot of this gold while we're going over it. The chart, because I haven't got into this yet after I started my crypto cleanup, right? Which the emails have been positive. You like the cleaner charts with the support boxes and whatnot, right? Actually, this chart wasn't too bad. Thank you, eraser. You can see this is the pattern that we broke out of, right? Doesn't need to be that big anymore. This is the pattern that we broke out of. And now we're testing the bottom here. And I still think in AAU we're going to have a big bounce back, right? If we zoom out, you know, as it's very early in the morning and I have to get ready to get out of here to go to work. I haven't had my morning coffee yet, so I'm a little bit mellow, you know. See, we gotta delete all this nonsense. So if we look back in the chart, you can see we have our long-term bottom way down now, multi-year descending pattern. It seems like, see, we've hit this multiple times as support, and then we seem to have a lot of overhead resistance in a downward motion right here, right? Throughout its history, it does every now and then break above it, right? You can see that. But I think this is about to break out of this, and it's still got time. It's actually got a couple years. But I think eventually this is going to get squeezed and this is popping and it's going to go way up and it's going to bust out of this multi-year suppressed pattern in Alameda Minerals. And I think we're going to be, if I had to do something and try to get a price, we'll go here to our bar pattern. I think we're going to do something like this all over again. Now we got to scale it. I think we're getting ready to do something like this. I didn't pick that at a good spot. We're at the end of the pattern. To me, I feel like we're right there. And we're getting ready to do something like that again. Come on. I think we're getting ready to explode out of this pattern. Right? Oops. I think right now we're somewhere. I think we're somewhere in there right now. Where we're just about, come on. We're just about to break out. See how it's coiled up? I think we're just about to break out in Alameda Minerals. And I think we're about to have one of these big pumps. Again, it's been a long time, and I think we're just about to pump. So if you want to accumulate this, anywhere below this downtrending support, this is upper resistance. You probably want to buy it at support. And this downtrending support right here has been support for decades, right? Fuck, come on. This right here has been support for decades. And you're running on it again. And I think this is giving you your last chance to buy this before it skyrockets. And here's some price targets. Your long-term, decade-long support that it's on right now is at 56 cents. As we clone this, and your upper resistance to break out of this decade-long upper resistance now is about 72 cents. And as soon as you do break that, I think you're going to have one of these phenomenal once-in-a-lifetime pumps. And from current price, that's 4, 5, 6, 700%. I think that is what's coming in Alameda Minerals in the next months to years. If you load up and just be patient with this, I think something like that is about to happen. And AAU, that's why she should be up there, right? B2 Gold is another one that's a phenomenal company. We need the eraser. God, these charts are hideous. And then we're going to wrap up the morning radio show with B2 Gold. And then later on today, as I work my way into my work day and get some time, we're going to go extensively as the market opens up. The U.S. stock market opens up. We'll get extensively into the price action of the day. And you can see in Alameda Mineral, just like the gold market, the bullion, we're in this falling, what I think is a bull flag that we've tried to break out of just now. And now we're retesting it. I think this is all a great accumulation right here. If you anywhere right now, and this box is a great accumulation because I don't think it's going to be here for that long. That's why we're going to make this green because I don't believe this is going to be here for very long for you to buy in this support box, right? In this green box. We're flirting with it again. Anywhere from $4 to $5 is a great accumulation phase. I've had a lot of questions, and I am accumulating lots of B2 Gold down here because this is, to me, a bull flag. And a targeted move would be from the bottom of the pole to the top of the flag, and then to the point of a breakout. And I think you're just going to be going, oh, come on. We need our industry exclusive perching tool. Come on, fucking bullshit. Industry exclusive perching tool from the bottom to the top of the flag to the point of the breakout. And I think that's where you're going. And we're just in another leg of our bull market in B2 gold and the rest of the gold market. These are great buying opportunities in all of these mining companies and businesses that have had this recent collapse, because just not too long ago, the price was 35% higher. I am accumulating. You should be accumulating too. This was episode 26 of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Morning Radio Show. I hope you enjoyed it on the Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Radio Network. Like, subscribe, and share on our way to 400 subscribers. Peace and love. Peace and love. Commodity Mondays continues later on today.